Hi, this is the video where we're gonna walk around this 1986 Mercedes-Benz 560 SL with 84,500 miles. The car is in a really nice shape, very clean, with lots of service records. You would see the photos on the ad where it shows the condition underneath the car. There is zero rust in this car, and that's the mileage, 84,531 miles. The dash has no cracks. It is a really clean dashboard. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, I can show you better like this. There are no cracks on the dash. Some visors are in really nice shape, and the carpet is in great condition throughout the car as well. That's the original carpet. The seats appear to be also original. They're just very clean. There are no marks on the seat, you know, very clean. And so is the center console. The AC works perfect, even with warm Florida weather. It keeps you nice and cool. The wood is in really nice shape, and when I remove the floor mat so you can look underneath. Okay, it looks really clean. In addition to the service records that you would see on the ad, the car comes with brand new Michelin Defender tires on the proper size for this car. When I show you the wheels, look in really nice shape. And the nose of the car underneath it also. Again, this car has zero rust. You will see it on the photos that we took from the left. It has these period correct cup holders, and they work surprisingly. As you know, these you may know these cars did not have cup holders back in the day. Germans didn't care. How does this one open? Oh, there you go. Two cup holders. Germans' philosophy was, if you're driving one of our cars, you're gonna be driving. You don't concentrate on drinks. You concentrate on driving. So they did not have cup holders from the factory, and some suppliers started making these aftermarket cup holders, and these seem to work very well, and they're still in working order. They are a period correct for the era. Door cards. Now the previous owner installed this chrome piece that you see on the door sills. It's something that he did, and we just decided to keep it like that with it. I mean, it's in really nice condition. It's not scratched, and he mentions that he felt that this will protect the door sills on the car. And I guess the new owner can decide to take it out if he or she desires. the lid for the soft top. You would also see the soft top, it is in remarkable condition. Really nice plastic windows, which those are normally yellowed and faded or cracked. Matter of fact, let's pull it out. Let's pull the soft top that you can see it. Of course, a very clean trunk. Got my camera equipment there. A factory first aid kit. Let me remove my equipment. No one out. Okay. That's the inside of the lid for the trunk. Tail lights are also nice and clean. They're not yellowed or cracked, as most of these cars have. Their rear bumper chrome is in really nice shape also. And so here's the carpet. There's some debris that my photo equipment left. And now let me pull the carpet real quick so you can look underneath it. That is the area where I believe that's the original spare tire. That is the original spare tire still in the container. And also at the office we have the I have the tools that come with the car. They're the factory tools, so that is also included with the car. The car, or this 560 SL, of course, it comes with a matching hardtop, which you will see photos of that. It's in really nice shape as well. And the carrying cart as well, where you have the possibility of storing the cart in your garage if you so desire. Putting everything back in the trunk. And let's do the soft top. This can be done, of course, by one person. And I excuse myself, I'm gonna do this with one hand. So it's a little trickier. There you go. Secure it the one side. Now we're going to secure the passenger side. Okay. And you can already see how nice this is. Of course, once and I won't be able to do this with just one hand, but once you get inside, you have the key in the glove box to secure the two screws on the windshield, on top of the windshield, and then you apply the tension on the rear window, of course, with a little lever over there, and they will tighten up the roof. But it's in really nice shape, perfectly see-through, no fading, no cracking. You will see the photos as well. Okay, and let me see, one last thing I want to show you is the engine bay. I'm gonna pop the hood. And it's right there. Very nice and clean. I mean, for the age of this car, it's a really nice engine bay. Very clean. No rusty spots or anything like that. Again, a lot of service has been done to the car. You'll be able to see in the receipts, and on the ad I'll lay it all out. We also did, one of the things we did was a brand new hood pad. We always use Mercedes-Benz OEM parts. You know, a lot of these parts are still available through your local Mercedes-Benz dealership, and they're not real expensive. I mean, considering what you get for it. You know, we believe that using factory parts is the way to go. That's just our opinion on this. I've found many times where the prices for the parts on the dealership are almost the same of what you can get for a replica part on eBay. So, and you have, of course, the reliability and the guarantee that it's gonna last longer if it's an original Mercedes part. So everything is clean right here, and that's it. So again, this is a car that we recently received, and it'll be available at Autovan Vault website also. Feel free to follow us if you want at on Instagram at Autovan_Vault. Autovan_Vault. Thank you, and have a great day.